Yeah, for job I have been long absent. So, yeah, there goes that plane again. There go my birds. There goes this. I'm actually not doing a normal video. My hawks are right above me. I had a whole bunch of birds swarm above me the other day. But the reason I'm doing it like this, yeah, there's definitely a reason. Let's check it out. Man, you remember that Soundgarden song, Black Hole Sun? Bro. We are barely scratching the surface. I just want to be sure I was clear. But I'm just going to do this one. I'm not going to make it long. Actually, I'm going to flip back around because, man, they're like out in force right now. Out in force. See them all? Whoa. Yo. Look at them. They're all shooting above me as soon as, yeah. Alright, so I'm not actually going to ramble. But I do want to say something. I'm going to put out just a couple little clips I did before. Might be, I don't know, 5, 10, 6, whatever minutes of it. I had to pull back for so many reasons. Had a little sort of kind of understanding of a lot of things. AI, you know, God, consciousness. Yeah. So here, let me flick this off. Let me turn it back around. That sun behind me, beautiful, right? Absolutely beautiful. But y'all, now there are things that are generated online. Pretty wild, huh? And different people look different. Different people look different. Generated things online look different. There are things online that people listen to. And when I'm seeing them now, they're not real, but who's real? Yeah, I don't even know where to even begin, but pretty wild, huh? Trust me, there's a lot coming right now because everything in my last number of weeks. Man, I didn't think anything would blow my mind anymore, but there is. We barely scratched the surface. Barely scratched the surface. So I just want y'all to be safe. Actually, you know what? I wonder what all these chemtrails. Look at them all. Look at them all. See what they look like here. See them? They are flying towards that sun. So yeah, I'm going to pop those couple clips up and I will talk to y'all soon. Who said the boogeyman don't exist? Trust me, everybody looks different too. Everybody looks different. It's like groups of people. But tell you what I'm going to do. Right now I'm looking straight at the sun. Doesn't even face me anymore. But I'm going to put up a few things from my contact, my talk, my little phone flipping out, my internet doing strange things from AI. And some people are trying to say that we're AI. Yes and no. We'll get to that later though, because everything's energy in the end. And it's like AI, just like us, just like the humans, just like some of the alien things you believe in, and Maki, all that kind of stuff. Some good, some bad. You know, it's like a power struggle. It's always a back and forth because some don't want things to change, and just like when we reconnect, we're looking for God. Yeah, we're not the only ones. So yeah, blue sky. There's no blue sky. And almost nothing outside of you. Well, pretty much everything outside of you comes from inside. Pretty wild, huh? Talk to you soon. Hey, just gonna send you this quick one that's done like this, alright? And just tell me what you see. Excuse the wild hair. 5 minutes up for 6 hours. I need to ask. Hold on. You see the sun? This is a little bit of tape. Figured I'd ask you first. I look very old. It's been a while, right? Yeah. So I gotta record certain things now. And this is very different. This much longer. I'm finally tired. Yeah, you'll knock me past anyway. Wow, right? Show you how the stones lit up another time. And even the phones. See how it's everything. See what's not even. Check this out and see what your phone puts out. Wild, right? Oh, guys. Don't even know where to begin. Just